Hello potential traders and investors of the crypto market. This is Tapelo Banda from Black Panda Traders, and today we're talking cryptocurrencies, mainly Bitcoin. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, like and share the video for more financial education. Today we're talking Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the main ways to make money through Bitcoin. We're going to be concentrating on 4 different ways you can be making money out of Bitcoin. The first way to make money through Bitcoin is investing in Bitcoin. Someone might ask, how do you invest in Bitcoin? Where do you store your Bitcoin? Well, we're about to answer that. There are many ways to buy Bitcoin, but today we're going to be concentrating on buying Bitcoin via an exchange. The exchange you're looking at here today is Luno. Luno is an app you can get on your phone via Play Store or Google Store. You just download the app, create an account. After creating the account, you create a Bitcoin wallet. After creating a Bitcoin wallet, you buy Bitcoin. The current price of Bitcoin as we speak in rands is 845,000. But then you don't necessarily have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can start buying Bitcoin for as little as 10 rand and start gaining interest on that 10 rand. The higher the price of Bitcoin, the more money you make. So you can start with any amount from 10 rand with Luno. The second way of making money through Bitcoin is Bitcoin trading. What exactly is Bitcoin trading? Well, Bitcoin trading is trading Bitcoin against the currency. You can trade it against the Australian dollar, the GBP, the USD. Currently we're looking at the chart of BTC USD. BTC USD is Bitcoin United States dollar. We're currently trading at a price of $56,240. That is the current price of Bitcoin when this video was made. Trading Bitcoin is a lot riskier than the other ways of making money through Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is very, very volatile. Compared to stocks, it's very volatile. But then when it comes to making money through Bitcoin trading, you can make a lot of money, the same way you can lose a lot of money. The third way of making money through Bitcoin is Bitcoin mining. How can you make money through Bitcoin mining? Well, making money through Bitcoin mining is taking a computer and running a block on the Bitcoin blockchain domain. Currently, a normal computer cannot mine Bitcoin, but then you can either make yourself your own computer and buy big GPUs or buy a Bitcoin miner. These are computers called Bitcoin miners from different companies. As you can see, this one is 14,000, 7,000. They can even go up to 500,000 or even 600,000 or even $1 million. Bitcoin mining is currently expensive for the average person, but then the more you mine, the more Bitcoins you make, the more money you make. If you can afford a simple 7,000 miner, you can at least mine a few 0. something Bitcoin a year. The only problem with Bitcoin mining is these consume a lot of electricity. So after buying a miner, you have to make sure you live in a place where electricity costs are low, or you're using solar panels, or any alternative way of making clean, renewable energy. The fourth way of making money through Bitcoin is just like making any type of money, any type of currency. Rendering a service or selling an item to a person and getting paid in Bitcoin. There are currently people that pay people in Bitcoin to write articles. They're paying people in Bitcoin to render a specific service or sell a specific item. And that brings us to the end of the video. Those are the 4 ways you can make money through Bitcoin. If you know any other ways, comment below. And if you reached this far and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Like the video, share with your friends. And on the next video, we're going to be breaking down Bitcoin on a live chart. We're going to be trading. This time we're not going to be talking about any type of way to make Bitcoin besides trading. Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video.